So this is the most fun part. After you have replaced these two boards with the EPM boards, so the inner one and the middle one. And then this is the factory harness, we're just reusing that. So the first step is to plug in this into the middle board. So it should be very simple to do. And then the next part is the most delicate part, and I think that's the most satisfying part as well. So you see the little pin here? This thing goes in there, but there is orientation. You can see the shape of this. It goes in like that. So just look at the shape there. Try to get a focus on. And then it goes in like that. Just remember the shape of this. And then we push that in slowly. And then you hear a satisfying click. And then this whole thing goes into this pin there. It's the factory board. And there you go. And the wire harness, the other wire harness basically goes in there and connects to the car. So this is the complete wiring of these boards. Obviously then the next step is to fix all the screws and redo this tape, and that's a very clean installation. So a quick test before we seal up the lights. So running light, retro brake, so the middle bar comes up first, and then sequential indicator. That's a default mode. So it's all looking good.